In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. If you're working toward accessible PDFs, PDF/UA is the standard that signals a document is ready for assistive technologies. Acrobat's Preflight tool helps you identify issues and, in some cases, apply automatic corrections called fix-ups. I'll walk you through opening the tool, choosing the right profile, and applying a metadata fix that adds the PDF/UA identifier to your file. First, open the Preflight tool. In Acrobat Pro DC, go to Tools, then select Print Production, and choose Preflight. That opens the Preflight dialog, which is the control center for checks and fix-ups. If you don't see Print Production in your Tools view, use the search field at the top of the Tools tab to quickly locate it. It's a good idea to keep a backup of your PDF before you start, so you can compare results or roll back if needed. Inside Preflight, you'll see options to work with profiles and fix-ups. Click the Select Profiles button, or use the drop-down to switch libraries if your screen shows multiple sets. Look for a profile related to PDF accessibility or PDF UA. Profiles are bundles of checks and rules. They help you verify whether your document meets certain accessibility expectations. If you notice a small wrench icon next to a profile, that indicates fix-ups are available, meaning Acrobat can apply specific automated corrections. Depending on your version, you may also see an entry called Fix Problems in PDF tagging structure listed under Single Fix-Ups. The naming can vary slightly between versions, but you're in the right place if you're seeing accessibility and PDF UA references. Now, let's apply the metadata fix-up that adds the PDF UA identifier. In the Preflight dialog, switch to Single Fix-Ups by clicking the wrench icon. In the list, expand Document Info and Metadata. Look for Set PDF UA1 entry, or a similarly named PDF UA-related fix-up, and select it. Click Fix to apply. Acrobat will write the PDF UA1 flag into your document's metadata, indicating that the file is intended to comply with the PDF UA standard. This is important for downstream tools and workflows that look for that identifier. A quick note for context. Adding the PDF UA entry does not correct tagging or reading order by itself. It simply sets the metadata flag. You should still ensure your document has proper tags, alt text, and structure elsewhere. But for the task at hand, you've successfully used Preflight to locate the right area and apply the PDF/UA metadata fix-up.